Next, let's start to edit our site. We'll use Elementor for our page builder. To access this, go to the top and click Edit with Elementor. And here you can see the Elementor interface. Elementor is a drag and drop builder, making it super easy to make changes to your site. Let's take a quick look at how this web page is constructed. There are two main types of building blocks in WordPress: containers and elements. These broader sections here are containers, and the individual parts within them are considered elements. To understand the structure of the site better, we can use the Structure panel. Click the drop-down arrow next to the containers, and if you click the various items in the list, you can see the various containers and elements highlighted, so you can understand fully what you're looking at. Containers do exactly what they sound like. They hold other things, including other containers and elements. You can click the I button next to any element in the Structure panel to hide and show it. You can also do this for entire sections by clicking the I next to containers. Let's close out of the Structure panel by clicking the X. You can always pull it up again later by hitting Command-I on a Mac or Control-I on Windows. If you scroll down to see the next container on the page and hover over it, you'll see that this pink Edit Container tab appears. You can click these 6 dots to drag the container to a different location on the page. You can click the plus button to add a new container. Or if you want to remove a container entirely, you can click the X.